Hello, this is Carrie again. This is just going to be a super quick fun video that I'm honestly doing just so that I can do the alliteration, which I'm going to try right now. Patiently packing packages for paying patrons. That's it. That was really the, the whole point of this video. But I thought it would be fun just to share with you like what I'm packing up for patrons. I reviewed this earlier and I promised that it would go off to a patron, and it is in fact doing exactly that. So it's going in the box right now, and then I will put the addresses in tonight, and hopefully I can get this stuff picked up tomorrow. And then these four, there should be four here. Yes, that's four here. One of them is going, I have a patron who is not a fan of watercolor, so she's just going to get this set of Polycolor colored pencils, which I have reviewed, and I have a set of the Blick art store pencils that are basically the same thing. So she's going to get this. There'll be a link to that video up there. So that's her. This is going for her. So she'll know that this is for her when she sees this video. Okay, so then this is where the fun stuff begins. Everybody's gonna get some, and this is for the patrons at the $10 and up level, but I think a couple of patrons that are not at the $10, because I have more stuff than I have patrons at the $10 level. So I think a couple of people who aren't at the $10 level but who've been a patron for a long time, they will also get one of these packages. So ooh, sorry about that. All right, so we are gonna, sorry about that. Okay, so we are gonna throw in a couple of sheets of hot press watercolor paper. Everybody's gonna get a couple of sheets just to make sure that they have enough to enjoy the stuff that's going in the package. Ooh, sorry about that. All right, here we go. All right, so everybody's getting 3 sheets of hot press watercolor paper. Let me see, make sure I have enough right here. All right, everybody's getting 3 sheets of hot press watercolor paper. So, packing up the 3 sheets. Fast forward this bit. Additionally, everybody's getting, I got sent this from Faber Castell to do the review. I did the review and I like these so much that I ended up getting a set of 24. So since I got the set of 24, I'm sending this out to some patrons. They're going to get these big ones, as well as they're also going to get 3 small ones. So this is going to be, so they're going to get this. And this will go in with some, I think I'm going to put some padding, but for right now I'm just going to put this in here. But I'll put some padding to protect the pencils in packet, to protect the pencils in post, so they don't get you know, so they don't get damaged while they're in post. So that's basically what everybody's going to get. I'm going to pause, pack up the other packages, and then just show you everything when it's done. All right, these are the packages. They're all ready to go. They're going to get postage today. I had more room than I had people at the $10 level. So a few people who aren't at the $10 level, I'll contact them and they'll just get prizes, I guess. All right, thank you guys so much for watching, even though this wasn't a regular video. And stay tuned for a video of the cats. Yes, I'm going to give you a regular video of the cats because, you know, you guys stayed this long. So and thank you guys so much for the patrons for supporting this channel, making these videos possible. And now that the summer is over, we will be back up to a regular full schedule of videos, including like 3 videos that I have already filmed and that I just need to edit and put on there. But thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you guys again for the patrons and the supporters on Ko-fi and on Amazon and all those various sources who are making all of these videos possible. This is just my small way of saying thank you. All right, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Hey, Stewie. Can you say thank you to the patrons? Thank you, Amy. Thank you, Josh. Thank you, Janet. Thank you, Zen Ninja. And thank you so many people who've been supporters for a long time. Right, buddy? Aw. Who's your buddy?